Hey and welcome to a new tutorial in Java. In this tutorial I'm going through a new class which is called Math. This class is used to solve logical expressions problem. Let's start and use this class and see some examples. As I mentioned, the class is called Math. So write Math class in Java. As we can see here is its public final class Math. If we compare this with the scanner class that we have used several times, so first we can see in a scanner class it's class scanner, but in Math it's final class Math. What is difference is here it's final class, so we don't need to create the object of the class as we did for scanner. We can use the name of class point the methods that we want. Here we have different methods, so we can use this method, and here's descriptions of each method. So let's start with a method to return a sum of two values. We give two values like 4 and 5 and return sum of them. Or we can use like sinus or exponential of value, or we have like square of values, maximum of two values and minimum of two values. So there are different methods. So here we have max, and same way we have min, minimum values, minimum values. So let's start. So I would like that the program should give me the maximum of two values which I'm going to give it the program. So as I said, because Math class is final and all methods are static, so we don't need to create the object of the class. We can just call each method in this class by using the class name point the name of the method. So math point, let's take the max operation, max of two values, it should be double, so I give 3.5 and 5.9, but I need a variable to store the result of this method, or I can write in system.out.println and see the result. So let's take system.println and see the result. Yes, the max value of these two values is 4.9. In the same way, let's calculate the square of a value like square of 25. We know that the square of 25 is 5. So let's do it in Java programming. We know that it's an integer, so let's declare it as an integer. Math, there is a method which is called square. Yes, here. So I give square of 25. Now, because it takes a double value, but add calls to int, change type of j to double, or we can convert it to end by writing int in front of math.x squared 25. So here, this converts this result to an integer value and put it in J. Or we can write in this way. We can declare double J1 is equal to math.point square 25. So we can do it in two ways. You can just write it. So let's see the result. J value is plus J, and see the J1. J1 view is plus J1. It should return same value, both. Yes, J value is 5, J1 value is 5.0 because it's double, so it's returned 5.0. In same way, we can use different methods from the math class. You can just go there and see which method you want to use, and you need to use next up, for example, power, right? Power of something. We have a random, which returns a double value with a positive sign, greater than or equal to 0, and less than 1. If you want to use this, you can do it. Round, for example, you have, and different other methods that you can use. So guys, this tutorial was about the math class and how you can use Java to calculate the logical expressions. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you on next tutorial.